You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop TreeMendous, the tremendous ornament decorator.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, pal.
How are you? Thanks
to them for sending this to us to check out on video. That was, hey, buddy, hey, pal. Now, we did the other product at Easter time. That was Eggmazing.
Eggmazing.
And this one here is the TreeMendous unique spinning action. Allows you to create fun and easy designs. It includes 3 ornaments, 8 colorful, non-toxic markers included.
Does it come with the hats, LPS-Dave?
It does not come with the hats. Okay, so there's the side. And it's going to spin, spin, spin. We're going to have a real blast. Okay. Oh, wait, what does that say?
I remember the egg.
You do remember the egg.
Awesome.
Spinning action creates colorful keepsake ornaments. And then there's step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Okay.
Just like that.
Just like that. Now, the back, I don't know, what does it say on the back? Can you give that a little jostle?
You bet, LPS-Dave.
Jostle the jargon there, would you?
It says, hello, my name is Scott Hoodashell. How about that?
That's good.
Does that sound right?
Yeah.
The inventor of the Eggmazing egg decorator. Now, introducing the TreeMendous ornament decorator. That's what you got to say right there.
Bum, 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 bum.
Thank you. A creative and fun way to decorate Christmas ornaments and start a new family tradition. We hope you enjoy using our products as much as we enjoyed creating them.
Well, thank you very much. Now, I might say how to shell, but you may say who to shell. Depends on how you say it.
Potato, potato, really.
Well, we don't want to mad at us. So don't be mad at us, Scott. We're doing our best here. Doing our best. Okay, so we will come back now, get this out of the box, and we will check it out. You run and get the batteries.
Run it.
And I will go and get this out of the box. Okay, so Butch is still looking for the batteries.
AAA LPS-Dave.
No, I thought I told you what we needed, but maybe I didn't. I'm sorry. 4 AA.
C?
Not C. 4
I got
double.
these square ones. What are those called?
No, not those are 9 volts.
9 volts. Yeah, not those.
Okay.
What was it? How many?
4.
I got the ones that look like quarters.
No, not the quarter ones either. All right, so here's a little ornament top, and then here is the. Oh, you found them.
Double A's LPS-Dave.
I guess next time I'll just
like
say double A's, huh?
Yeah. All you had to say.
Yeah, I'll remember that. Okay, so there's all that. Here we go. We are ready to tree decorate our tremendous tree. No, we're not. We got to get
I was going to say that was quick.
batteries, but here are the other ornaments. They almost look like, what am I thinking?
Bulb!
Yeah, exactly. Okay. I think we're on the same wavelength there.
How about that, LPS-Dave?
Maybe a second or two off. I don't know.
Well, my reactions are a little slow this time of year.
This is a good
I've
time.
been stretching my stomach, LPS-Dave. I've been eating.
No, this is a good time for you to share a little Christmas story because you were telling me about the ornaments on the tree.
Oh my gosh! They never made it to the tree, LPS-Dave.
Well, give everybody the story.
Chasing them all around the house, me and my brothers and sisters.
Yeah. Go ahead. All right, let me know when you're ready to start the story. Are you ready to start the story?
I'm ready, LPS-Dave.
Okay, go ahead. All in.
Uncle Leo would come over. It was tree decorating time. We knew that, but he would bring out the big box.
Okay, I'm already here. We're ready to go, and this is our TreeMendous tree ornament stand there. Look at it, TreeMendous. Look at that. Oh, were you telling a story?
Chaos ensued. Let's just say that. Chaos.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I interrupt you?
Not at all. That was the end.
I don't know what it's like being interrupted by a friend like
So what's this do, LPS-Dave?
Hell, when I'm trying to work with him in videos. But, you know, this is the time of year to enjoy the company of loved ones, including your pets. Not that you're a pet, but you know what I'm saying. There's our 4 colors. Very TreeMendous. Here's our other 4 colors.
Very Christmassy shades of gray.
Also TreeMendous. Yeah, okay. I gotta learn how to open packages. Okay. Lesson number 1, how to open small plastic package.
I see you're not using your usual Sharpie pencils today.
Okay, there we go. Important. Requires 4 AA batteries, not including a battery. Did that.
Check.
How to enjoy your new TreeMendous decorator. Remove silver cap, align slotted groove on ornament with black lines and TreeMendous center. Okay, so this was already...
That came preloaded.
Preloaded, so there we go. So you just kind of line up. Okay, so there's little notches. Those are called notches, okay?
Nachos.
Like, yeah, nacho cheese. And then there's notches in there with a little black line, so you can't miss it. Either way, if you're trying to do this, you're going to be there all
Not going to happen.
Okay, so you line it up. There's a I think this is the, what do you call that?
Can't quite decipher.
On-off
Very
switch.
complicated. That's it.
Okay, so we lay this here, and then spin, spin, spin. Push firmly to secure ornament into the TreeMendous tree. Okay, turn on the TreeMendous ornament decorator. Okay, turn it on.
Oh boy.
Remove lid cap from marker and touch, or apply the tip of the marker to the spinning ornament, creating colorful designs. When finished decorating, allow 60 seconds to dry. Remove ornament by pressing firmly with both thumbs on the ornament. Okay, so they want it like this. So here we are. We're like this, we go, and it pops right out.
There you go. Okay. That's why you want to let it dry a little bit. Otherwise, you're going to have the decoration from the ornament on your thumbs.
All right, so there's the little black mark. So it's changed now because it's been spinning. So if your black mark's not in front, that just could be the reason. Boy, we really help parents out, don't we? We are like
that, LPS-Dave.
The YouTube channel for parents.
The one-stop shop.
Okay, helpful hints after decorating. Make sure marker lids caps are put back on, because I know when Butch is done, they're all kind of like this. That one's there, that one's over there, and they're all.
And when you trust me to put them back on, I guess they're all on the wrong ones, aren't they?
There you go. All right, please enjoy the TreeMendous decorator with friends and family. Santa Claus is watching you, so you better be good for goodness sake. Are you ready?
Born ready, LPS-Dave.
Well, I am not. All right, go ahead and finish your story. Now, where were you?
Chaos ensued. It was over.
Okay,
End
great.
of the story.
I'm going to take the camera and just point it right in there.
Nice.
Okay, so now you take your marker like this and you draw on it like this. See?
What?
Wait
a second. I don't know if this is the way that it goes, LPS-Dave. I don't see a lot of spinning going on right now.
Well, I wanted to make a giant eyeball. I don't know why. Something said eyeball ornament. You know, sometimes you got to break with trends.
It might be a little bit creepy hanging from the Christmas tree.
Yeah, but you got to break from trends, right? And then I'm going to give it an outer little line, like.
Bloodshot.
Now, my TreeMendous tree is watching all the little boys and girls.
Oh,
have you been good?
Boy.
Okay, I was just trying something different because now the object is to turn it on. So you could put little shapes on there like that.
Oh, I see.
Now
I follow
switch to this TreeMendous. Here we go. I'm using this as my base.
Wow, how about that?
Okay.
That's cool, LPS-Dave.
I'm cool.
Top notch.
I am top notch and I am cool. Oh, I need my base. So I can work this. Work it. Work it.
LPS-Dave.
Work it.
Look at you go.
Well, I'm an expert at this.
Like you've done this before.
Okay, that is my design for this ornament. It is called the Christmas eyeball. Okay. Oh, let it sit. Okay, well, let it sit. We will come back. Well, I'll tell you what, though. I want to get that one eyeball on the other side. Eyeball there. Eyeball there. Eyeball there. Eyeball there. Eyeball there. Eyeball there.
I wonder if that's good for the motor.
We only know what we know. What we don't know, we'll never know. We don't know.
Now what are you thinking here?
Same thing, reversed. Purple outer, red inner. Okay. Do 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 do
Steady.
Oh! All right, I want to get the eyeball here. Let's see, right there.
Look at that go.
Two. Let's see. To do the little dot dot. Butch. UTCH. 2019. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do love
Christmas
love
style.
me. Okay, there you go. That's the love part. I love me. No, you know what I'm saying. All right, we're gonna let that dry, come back, check it out, and do another one. Yeah, maybe you could do that. Okay, Butch, dry.
It's gonna be so fun.
Now,
Dave.
you might be wondering, Oh, by the way, nothing sticky on
Dry,
the
dry,
gummies.
dry.
By the way, I did this so that when it's hanging on the tree... Oh, it's upside down on the tree. That's okay. Because I am just going to give it to you like this, and then you could figure out later that you hang it like
I'm
that.
be chasing it around the
I wasn't even thinking about that. But that helps parents out, right? Now they know. But then again...
Learn to write upside down.
See, I'm just watching you, okay? I'm always watching you. So when it's hanging on your tree like this, it'll be like, okay, you're let's just say you're ready to... Whatever, and you're by the tree.
Very, very sleepy.
Yes, look at the eyeball. Look at the eyeball. Oh, look at that eyeball. Okay. Too much
staring.
I love me. Okay.
You never blink. That's the scary thing, LPS Dave. You don't even have eyelashes.
Never blink. All right, so now we take this off. Okay. And then we pop it in. Remember, line that up. And then we turn it on.
All right.
Now we're going to show you each color. Here we go. Each color. Purple.
Nice. Boy, you got to
We'll go this way. Green.
Look at you go.
Okay. Boo.
Wow.
Orange, you glad I'm doing orange?
Wow, that's cool.
That is orange. Pink.
Is there any method to your color choices here, LPS?
None whatsoever. Red.
Look at that.
Hello.
Hello.
And finally, last but not least, the light green.
Light green.
Da, 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 da.
You are an artiste, LPS
This
Dave.
is the way it's hanging on the tree. Actually, I might just hang this whole thing on the tree.
Good plan.
It's pretty neat.
And leave it on.
Yes, leave it up. Okay, so let's turn that off. Everybody can look at that beautiful ornamento. Ornamento.
It's spectacular.
And you can write 2019 on there because that's when it was made, right? So I'll write that up here. 2 0 1 9. This will secure the date in history. That's when we actually made it.
Now that'll be upside down again when it's hanging on the tree, but that's a little technicality.
Yeah, we don't worry about that because when it's hanging, you got to look underneath. I'm taking this off anyway, just to see. We're testing for parents. This is parental testing.
That's right.
Okay, yeah, see, it is coming off. Okay,
Sticky.
Fail parental testing, but we can set that there because we want to do the last
Beautifully
one.
done, LPS Dave. Let
Thank
me
you.
say.
Let's just see if I can get that little black. There we go. Okay, nice and snug as a bug. Are you ready?
Ready, LPS Dave. What is he going to do, folks?
What I think I'm going to do is bring the camera right in on this one. Okay, we're going to lose you there for a couple hours. But I want everybody to just get a nice...
Just going to hang out right here.
Yes, I'm just going to do something really wacky, okay?
Whoa! Whoa! I'm getting dizzy, LPS Dave.
Don't get the dizzy, man.
This is only a test. Oh, man.
Dizzy man.
Freaky.
Dizzy man. I'm Dizzy Man.
Wow, wow, wow. Look at that.
That is my second favorite one.
I love it, LPS
Of course,
Dave.
the one
That
to
might
you
be my favorite.
is my fave.
Oh, of course, that was my favorite. Except the eyeball.
Okay, let's let that one dry now. We will come back and show you all three, and then we will wrap it up.
Looks like a ball of yarn.
It does, doesn't it? All right, here we go. A very interesting tree you had there, Butch. Where'd you get that?
It's LPS Dave. I assembled that myself, as a matter of fact. I went out and cut down some hedges.
Hedges.
And I wove it together just real quickly.
Wove it together. All right, so here's our 3 ornaments. I was finishing this one here.
And I sprinkled it with sugar.
And these just pop on any said way. And then you put the little hook on, and everybody's got those extra little ornament hooks. And then you take it to your tree and you hang it.
Oh, I thought you were going to do that.
Well, we will in a second. And then we get
excited.
this one here. This one's the upside down one. This is well, they're actually all upside down. Wasn't thinking too straight there, but you get the idea.
It'll work.
And then this is the last one. I don't know. I kind of like that one, but I liked doing them. That was the fun part. Being with you and doing them at the same time.
That's what Christmas is all about.
So we'll hang this one way up here on the top branches. Careful. The top branches.
Oh, look at
beautiful.
that.
So beautiful.
It even makes my shrubbery tree look nice.
Yeah.
Dave.
Anything would actually make this look nice, but I think you get the idea. Yeah. It's what's a tree without beautiful ornaments? Ornaments. How come you're not singing Christmas songs to me?
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
TreeMendous.
Yes.
There you go. Go. Finish that one up.
How lovely are your
puffy,
ornaments.
weird branches with ornaments. Yeah, there you go.
Yes.
So that is it. That is TreeMendous. So, buddy, old pal of mine, thanks for hanging out with me today. I do appreciate it. And
this was TreeMendous, LPS-Dave, I have to say.
Merry Christmas to you.
Merry
for
Christmas,
this year.
LPS-Dave.
And, we'll check in next year's Christmas and see what's going on. And we'll look back at all the old Christmases we had together.
You know, every day is Christmas, really, when you think about it.
Those old 8mm films. We'll go back and watch all of our original videos together.
I'm bringing the popcorn.
All right. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
Bye-bye, everybody.
My upside-down ornament looks real cool. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, yeah. Please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.